The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Very good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Today is Tuesday, October 11th. Good morning, fellas. Arjan, Tom, Dennis, Scott. Thank you, Scott. Fellas, good morning. You guys are here on trial. Good morning and welcome back. Let's see here, guys. Coming into the session, or at least opening the room, indices are well off their lows. NASDAQ is now down 50. ES is off, call it 15. YM down 64, EMD off 8, Russell off 6.5. Gold is up $2.50. Pre-market, all stocks are red currently, with the exception of Walmart, up 18 cents, and Snapchat up 9 cents. That's it. Tesla's down $1.61. Apple is off 63 cents. Deepak, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Today, I think we're devoid of any news. We have no. Good morning, Doug. Jacques, good morning. We have no news today. Nothing of any interest. Tomorrow's our day, guys. We've got PPI tomorrow, and of course we have crude inventory and the FOMC minutes at 2 o'clock. So the afternoon session will catch FOMC minutes, but in any event, we're getting a very strong bid over the last 10 minutes or so. Bots this morning. ES 15 range bot, one trade, one losing trade, down 725. Crude is up 1,050. NASDAQ's currently up 245. No, Columbus Day wouldn't affect that, no. And natural gas is up 950. So overall, aggregate total, well green. But the NASDAQ, the ES bot currently down a bit. One losing trade. Went exactly to the stop and has since would have gone to all three targets, literally to the tick on the stop. In any event, neither here nor there, it's down. Hope you guys all had a great afternoon and evening. We had a far better trade yesterday than I would have thought, given that it was a holiday. If you guys are in order flow class today, the link has been sent. The link has been sent on Friday. You should all have that link. If you do not, you need to email me. As well, the 1 o'clock session will, of course, be on today again. So we will be back in the room at 1 o'clock if you're in the 1 o'clock session. Let me do what I do every day, which is read the disclaimer, and then we'll take a look at some charts. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, Past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. As a final, especially if you guys are here on trial, I do trade a live account. So just again, that's why I give the disclaimer, okay? If anybody has any questions, please ask. Come on, NASDAQ, push a little more. Got to get above 63. NASDAQ support is 50. Morning, Nick. I'm waiting for this copper to roll. That's crude. Slower than slow. I don't want NASDAQ below 50. Got buyers up here. Just got to push through that 63 swing. There it is. There we go. Target hit 67. Target 1 hit and filled. Hit and filled. $84, which was yesterday's close. Next target. What sounds like a battleship? Working through this sell zone. Come on, big guy. That's 82. Maybe 2 handles more. 5 seconds to the next 15-minute bar. You guys that are trailing, you may want to take your runner off. Didn't quite get 84. We got to 82. It may yet get to 84. Neither here nor there. Money in the bank, guys. Money in the bank. Come on, NASDAQ. Get that first target. Come on. It hit it. It didn't fill it. There it is. Target filled. There we go. Anybody short 50? Target 1 is 33. Target 1 filled on natural gas as well. Anybody short NASDAQ at 50? Okay, fellas. Make first target 35. 35. Top of the hour, fellas. In a minute and a half, I'll take my breakfast break. Nice job, Frank. There's target 2. All 3 targets hit natural gas. Top of the hour coming in 49 seconds. Here we go. Top of the hour. Go ahead, Paul. There we go. Target filled. 35 target 1 hit and filled. If you took the order flow trade from 50, There's another $300 target one. Hell no. Absolutely not, Paul. No. No. All right, fellas. I am going to breakfast. I have to find a Be Right Back first. If anybody has any quick questions. Let's see here. ZB is almost to that first target. Anybody take ZB other than Sharon? Anybody? Okay, Doug. Copper is inching toward that first target. You're in the money. Trade it as you see fit. That's just really slow, super slow. I'm surprised it hasn't rolled over faster. I'm trying to find a Be Right Back, guys. I guess I'll stop using my New York Mets Be Right Back and go back to my Notre Dame Be Right Back. So I just passed the Mets. They're done for the year. No sense crying over spilt milk. Let me see if that's it. Is that Notre Dame? Nah. I'll have to find my Notre Dame. All right, guys. I'll be back in about 20 minutes. I'm back early. If you took up copper, your target one should be off. Yeah, I can't find my Notre Dame logo. I will. I'll look for it today. Anybody in copper? Anybody in copper? Nobody? Okay. One guy took it. No, did not get my second target yet. 4250 is second target. Here we go. We're off. My bots are all on. Small buyers here on the open. Small sellers, small buyers. It's working through overnight inventory. We probably will fail right about here, 25, right at VWAP 25 to 30, which we did. Looks like a short down to 07 and then 02. There's 07. There's 02. And here comes the 3695 is next for the ES. 3695. If we don't hold that zone, it's 3575. 862 is your short target on NASDAQ if you're short. Not a huge amount of selling. Supreme Court declines to hear a case on whether or not fetuses have constitutional rights. For those of you guys that may not know, Tulsi Gabbard has left the Democratic Party. She says the party is controlled by an elitist cabal of warmongers driven by cowardly wokeness who stoke anti-white racism and protect criminals. That's her statement. Yeah, I like her too. All right, guys. We're oversold on the 5 minute. You could get a bounce back up above VWAP, so I'm just kind of hanging out here. There are no bot trades to show. Guess we're going to stay oversold. 876. 876 is a reasonable target. There's an RTY bot short. We have a short on the Russell. There's target one immediately. 876 was yesterday's low and right back out. So target one only. We're still zinging around here, guys. 2,200 plus sellers. Trying to get a bounce on the small time frames. I mean, unfortunately, we can't get, we had a bounce here at 932, but I can't get anything. I don't want to sell the whole. If you guys want to sell in the whole, you can go ahead, but we had a good pre-market. I'm in no hurry here. $36.95 is a target on ES if you want to sell it quickly. 36, never mind. Too fast. NASDAQ looks like we're headed into yesterday's low at 876. We're over 3,000 net sellers. There are no longs. 861 is NASDAQ's short target. 861. 76 and then 61. Good morning, Fernando. 76 and 61. All right, there's just about yesterday's low. And then 61. Nothing in crude. Copper is about 2 ticks from that final target. It was a freaking whale trade on copper. Whale. Getting a bounce, we could bounce back to 920. $908 and then $918 look like potential shorts. 300 350 buyers in here. Here's the bounce off yesterday's low, just below. Energy prices will push Italy into a technical recession in 2023. I will try a long on the NASDAQ here. Not yet. Nope, didn't get there. Nope. 95 holding on the ES. This may be a good spot to try a long. 97.75 if you guys have the gumption. We get above 01, we're going to fly to 05. I'm long 3,600 on the ES. I am long 3,600 ES. I will not hold it long. It's got to bounce the heck out of here quicker. Come on, get above 3601 and go. Come on, NASDAQ, you too. All right, I'm out. I'm out ES. Small loss. I'm out ES. I'm flat. I still think this could hold. If this holds this 95, this could go back right back up to 25. Still holding 95. I'm long again ES. 99.75. I'm long ES 99.75. Come on, pop up there, you dog. Come on. Killed it again, guys. I'm out again. This isn't bouncing fast enough. Come on, you dog. Boy, this thing sure looks like it wants to bounce to me. It's right back to the same entry. This It's hanging out in this 95 to 3,600 level. If it breaks above 0.5, it's going to go. VWAP's been pulled down. We're basically holding this 95 area. NASDAQ looks like if it breaks down below 850, it's going to get slaughtered. NASDAQ getting a bid. ES is hourly longs, 10-minute shorts, or at least trying to get long on the 10-minute here. Back up to 06. Minute to the next 15-minute bar. Got 1,034 buyer here at 97.25. Cool. Very quiet, guys. "24 seconds, next 15-minute bar." I have nothing on NASDAQ, nothing on ES. Here it goes. There it goes. God dang. There it goes. Crude is long on the bot. Natural gas is long on the bot. No. Come on, NASDAQ. Or ES, let's go. At least get 06. NASDAQ, look, here's what we've got. NASDAQ short on the bot. Crude long on the bot. And natural gas long on the bot. This is as sloppy as you're going to see. And now an ES long on the bot at 0150. Out on NASDAQ. Nothing to see here, folks. Pre-market was the trades. See what the hell else I could find. I'm done with this crap. Crudes and longs. Copper hasn't turned up yet. Crude got target one on the bot. Target one hit on crude. ES just hanging out, guys, between 95 and 3,600. 5-6 hit. There's another short on the NASDAQ bot. Target one filled. Target two filled. Now we're just straight shorts. Here's the breakdown on the NASDAQ. Below that 50. Hold back. This is pathetically slow. Next 10-minute bar in 10 seconds. Pathetically slow. 4,200 net sellers. 4,200. $400 in this bar alone. 4180, 4,200 again, 42 and change. Next 10-minute bar coming right. 20 seconds. I mean, we could come 740 on the hourlies. We've got about a 38% retracement right now in SPY. We could go 50, which would take NASDAQ maybe up to 860. All ES is moving back. So here would be the trade, whether you like it. That was a trade from pre-market. You got it all. Copper, nothing. Tesla's getting a bid. Tesla's off the lows at 219. It's now 223, up $5. Spy's getting a small bounce. Q's getting a bounce. Oh, okay, Paul, you took it. Nice job. Two people took the bond trade. Big winner. Walmart's having a good day. Other than that, guys, got a little quiet here, guys. I mean, it was a fairly orderly sell again. I mean, we really haven't seen insanity. Very quiet. I don't have positionally longs. There are scalp trades, but we're breaking the opening range low again. So it's a short through the opening range low. Yeah, maybe tomorrow. We're just sitting now. Still 5,400 net sellers. There's a long on the crude bot. We're holding the opening range low now, trying to break below it. Small-ish sellers here, 110, 12. Come on, break away from it. Just get away from it and sell off. Maybe we work down to 07. Sellers are trying, guys, but they're fairly weak now. Two sellers right here, 16, 20, 17, 23. Now 90. We could go back to 53 from here, fellas. Could. I don't know that it has enough buyers to do that, but 52, 53 would be a great short, I think. $200 buyers, maybe 60. Nah, it doesn't feel like a lot of momentum. I mean, there really wasn't a ton of momentum on the move down other than that initial burst. Again, another, we've seen a fair amount of selling over the past week, right? And most of it's been very orderly. It's not been one of those, it's not been a panic sell yet. If we dip below 26, maybe 25, this starts to work a little lower again. Just sitting here, guys. They bought 159 in the last 3-minute bar. We now have 260 more sellers in this current 3-minute bar. And it doesn't want to die. 240 sellers, 250. Just won't die. They won't sell it off. There's no buyers. If you guys have made your money for the day, go to sim or take off. This has gotten very sloppy. Ninja. Paul, Ninja. Need this down below. If this is going to sell, maybe below here. There, it's trying. And then you've got the opening range low at 21. See, it's holding that support again, about 25. There it goes. Come on, break down. For God's sake, more sellers. Sell this thing off to 13, and then below 13, it comes 789. So there's some support here. And below that, we come 789. And look, we just held that 13. Jeepers criminy. For the love of God, seriously. With a ton of sellers, guys, going back over 6,000. Here it comes. Here it comes. You should be short. Short if you want. It's going to be sloppy, but it's short. Target is 788 to 790. I'll be right back. 1 minute. You're welcome. I mean, you're very welcome, man. ES is a short to 75, 35.75. This comes to 08. I mean, there's no reason for this to be. There are no buyers, guys. And I really can't find anything that's in a long or trying to get a long. Nothing. Grains, nothing. Small buyers came in. Small. $168. Let me check volume today, guys. We have volume. ES can't get over 3,600. NASDAQ, this move just brings it back to oversold on the 5-minute. We are daily oversold on the RSI on the NASDAQ. ES also daily oversold. Do I have anybody down? Real money. Don't care about Sim. Ozzy's losing money again. Damn, Ozzy. Where is he? I don't even know if he's in the room. He didn't say good morning. How much, Stuart? Okay. I mean, I don't have longs yet on anything. ES would have to get above 605 for me to take it long. 605. You could try a 601 to 605 target 1. 601 to 605, and then try to work any runners into 25. Oh, now NASDAQ's got buyers, huh? Guys, there are no bot trades, which pivots are you using? I don't understand the question. Pivots for what? Those aren't pivots. You could take a long here, guys. 601, 605, target 1, 605, target 1. Never mind. It's there already. Now try to get a runner into, we might get the opening range high, but we could be capped out at 55. And now try to get a runner into 25. And Paul, whatever it is that you're smoking, you should probably stop before you come into the room. I do not trade gold on a bot. I do not have a gold bot. Come on, man. You're long ES, guys. You're long ES, guys. Anybody take the 01? Anybody take 01 on ES? I told you could take 01 to 05. Now it's free. Anybody take it? Okay, took it on NASDAQ. Okay. Albert got NQ. Kiernan got 02. Okay, nice. 05 is target 1. It's now a free trade, Kieran, if you're trading more than 1. Stop is break even. And the goal is to work this up to 20 to 25, which I think it may do. We've recaptured a level. Nice job, Jeff. Daily goal hit trading micros and 1 and sometimes 2 minis. Nice job. I want this to stay above 06, ideally 5.5, 6. I don't want to see this come back. Next 15-minute bar is in 1 minute and 40 seconds, guys. Next 15-minute bar is in 1.5 minutes, yeah. And I'd like to see this NASDAQ. We're above yesterday's low again. And I'd like to see this ES stay where she is. 4 or 5. God dang it. Pull back into VWAP. Come on, dog. I want to see you go to 25. Here's ES. Block buy here, 118 contracts. We've only got 4,900 net sellers in the ES, guys. It's nothing. Want to stay above VWAP. Next target up should be near 11. $50 sellers, $40 sellers in this block, 5-minute block on the ES. Come on, seriously? We're pushing small resistance on the 10-minute chart here. Come on, squeeze this son of a bitch up. Let's go. Got to get through that 08 half area. And then we should get 11. You've got a small offer, 214 contracts at 10. But if we pop above 12, this could make a move right up to 17, 18. Come on, don't backtest VWAP. Come on. Need to get above 8.5, which is value area high if this is going to keep going. Well, Stuart, trade what you see, man. Trade what you see. If you think it's short, take a short. I assume you passed on the 01 to 05. You're buying 03. If we come back up through 06, this is going to go. That's got to come back through 06. I mean, we're sitting here with 100 net, 90 net sellers. This is absurd. This is the ES. We have 10-minute resistance at 4.5. Need to get above 5.6 if it's going to go up. I do not have it in shorts, not on the small time frames. This could pull back to 98. But on the 10-minute, it's trying to go long. Next 10-minute bar is in 50 seconds. Now we have net buyers and we're not going anywhere. Got to get through this area here, 5.6, guys. If anybody is still long, 5.6 is kind of the key here. I did, Deepak. Look at this. Come on. Buy them up, for the love of God. They're going to wait until 11 o'clock. New hourly candle. The 26 period on the hourly cloud is stuffing us at that 5.6 area. Also, the 52 period on the 10-minute, same level. So they get through 5.6, and this is going to go right back up into this swing high. And if it takes that, it's going to go. And we're down to 3,700 net sellers in the NASDAQ. We are above VWAP. So theoretically, buyers are in control here. But there surely aren't many of them. Five, 6, and we're still stalled at that same area. And we got the 5.75. Got to get through this 6, and they're going to push this thing. Come on. We got 6. Quarter. Come on. Down to 3,100 net sellers, 3,200. I mean, that's one candle for the NASDAQ. or for the ES. Inside. Don't like that. Come on, go get 11, dog. Down to 3,000. Good God, they can't move this thing anywhere. I mean, they bought 1,300. They bought 1,500 contracts since 1040. Look at this. They bought 3,700 since 1035, and we're not going anywhere. Still need that 5-6, guys. We've got the swing here now at 6.25, and then 8.5 lower highs. I have no idea what it feels like, dude. All I know is buyers and sellers. Come on, you got him. 6, you got him. Sprint this back up through 850. You've got him. We get through 850, we're going to get 1112. NASDAQ on the bot got target 1. Target 2. Anybody still long? Anybody still long? Guys, if we break up here, we get 13, 14. This is a big area here. This 11.5. Okay. Okay, Kieran. Whatever it's going to do at 11. Here's where we're at. Day before PPI, guys. Closed below VWAP on the ES. NASDAQ couldn't help us and get above VWAP. Guys, ES only has 3,200 net sellers. If you're long, the real stop is 95. There's a short on the ES bot. This will probably be the last trade of the day, at least there. NASDAQ's not going to take a trade. Russell's not going to take a trade. This is the last trade of the day. They're all off. It's 11 o'clock. I'll go over bot totals here. While this is so on the day, crude finished up 860 bucks on the bot. 860. NASDAQ bot finished up 815. Russell bot finished up 90 bucks. Natural gas bot is up 400. And the last I looked on this ES, it was down 200. So if it gets targets, it's green. If it does not, it's nothing. Anybody have any questions, guys? Last 30 minutes of Europe. Anything before we wrap it up?